turn off or on playing media notifications on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on playing media notifications on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there, and now click on the second before the last setting and scroll down until you find notifications. Scroll down again and click on playing media and turn off or on show notifications and choose whatever you want. You can also turn off just vibration notifications, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.